Beauty. So I thought today I would just share with you a quick video how I apply my false lashes. A lot of you guys have left comments to do a quick video, so that's what I'm doing today. The lashes we will be using are these here. I love them. They're super glam and they are from Aliexpress. Came in a packaging like this. If you want to see a video of them with more details and how much they cost, I did a full video like a false lashes haul, so I'll put that at the end of this video so you can go watch that if you're interested. Before we get started, welcome, my name is Jen, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're not, click the little notification bell, that way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. First thing I'm gonna do is measure the lashes and see how well they fit. A lot of them I usually have to trim, but these I don't, so we will be doing no trimming. But if you were to trim your lashes, you never want to trim like from the inner corner because that will mess up the shape of the lashes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start just slightly just bending the lashes just a little like this, just to give it the shape. So I'm going to measure them and see exactly where I want them. And you don't want to put it too in the inner corner, okay, or too out. So you usually want to like place them in the middle, and you want to look down, okay? And when you are going to use the glue, you want to put them like going up like this, not straight, okay? It's just gonna look better. Get the full effect of the lash, you want to look up. So I'll just show you a little bit how it looks without the glue, just to show you. So I mean, these are super dramatic, okay, and I love to use them for my videos. What I love to do as well is look for a glue that is black. It's just much easier. I love it. This one is the dual lash glue. I'm just gonna remove this dry glue. Okay, just gonna place some right here. Going to use this is like a lash applicator. It makes it really easy to grab the lashes. So I'm just gonna grab them from the middle like this, and everybody has their own way. This is just the way I do it. So I'm gonna take the glue and just start, like, I have such a hard time with it like sticking in the outer corner, and in the inner corner they're always lifting there, so that's why I like to like put a little extra glue there. They do recommend that you let it dry a little, the glue. You don't want to go ahead and right away put the glue and stick them. They're just not gonna stick properly, so you want it to get a little tacky. You can blow on it a little if you like. And it's also, this is very good, it really helps a lot, especially like if you have nails. At least for me, is like really hard to like stick it. Just remember, we're going to look down, and I'm gonna place them like in the middle. And also what I learned, be careful that the glue doesn't get on your applicator, because then you're just gonna rip them right off. Start it in the middle, and then I'm like placing it towards the end, making sure it's nice and secure. And this is like my trouble area here. You just want to make sure how you glue them correctly. And sometimes after I apply the eyelash, I do have to go ahead and fix my eyeliner because it just looks weird. Like it covers a lot of the liner. That's just what I like to do. And then I'm just gonna like, you could either do it with this. I find it hard. But you could like press it together, and that will make sure your lash and the lash just blend in really nicely. Some people go ahead and put mascara to like blend them, but that really ruins the lashes. But if you like to do that, just wait till it dries a little more. They feel nice and secure. This part just has to dry a little. Depends how you place the lash sometimes, that it will cover like some of the liner, so then even if you did it straight, it wouldn't look straight because it's covered. You can go ahead and maybe adjust the lash a little, which I just did, so I'll just leave it like that. But as you see, they look so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is both of the lashes on. As you see, since we placed it nice and going upwards, you do get a beautiful, nice lifted effect. Hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!